Modern traders need more than simple trading tools. They need intelligent systems, secure financial infrastructure, and responsive technology, capable of adapting to fast-moving global markets. Grand-Gate.co delivers a connected trading experience, designed for users who want flexibility, speed, and practical market support. The platform allows users to access markets directly through their browser, without software installation. Through customizable tools, live market visibility, AI-powered alerts, and fast execution systems, traders can remain connected to opportunities while responding quickly to changing financial conditions. Grand-Gate.co supports over 3,000 market instruments and provides users with educational resources, practical insights, and expert support, designed to help traders continue improving their financial strategies over time.